Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy, and today we'll be showing you the tutorial on 3D Instagram photo effects on PicsArt. First, go to your Instagram and take a screenshot of any post you prefer. And import the screenshot to PicsArt. Now go to Tools and Crop. Make sure that the crop includes the username and the caption. Then go to Draw. In the Layer section, select XOR. Using the Shapes tool, select Square and make sure that you select Fill. Click OK. After that, drag and create the square where the image is. When done, go to the Layer section and merge the two layers. Also, create a new empty layer and drag it below the merged layer. Now add in an image of your preference. Adjust the image such that a part of the image goes beyond the allotted area. You will see why later on. Now go to Layers and copy the image layer. Select Eraser and decrease its size. And start erasing as shown on your screen. Take it slow and you will get the look you envisioned. Now add in some effects and you're done. So that's it for the tutorial. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.